All right, this is the people versus Carlos Ramirez, ticket number SX40285154, count one, failed to properly secure passenger child. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. There's also a count two, but this is Attorney Gregory Sheena, P74815.
There's the count two.
Yes, it was speeding 6 to 10 over.
Okay, so count two is speeding 6 to 10.
Your Honor, Gregory Sheena appearing on behalf of the respondent. I do request the respondent's appearance be waived, as I do have the authority to act on the respondent's behalf. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for a formal hearing. It is now 10:37. I do not believe the officer is here today. I would like to make a motion to dismiss the ticket without prejudice.
Okay, this matter was set for 8:30. It is now 10:37. Officer has appeared, so the court will dismiss this without prejudice. Thank you for your patience, Mr. Sheena, and you are all set, sir.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a wonderful weekend.
You too, thank you.
Ms. Horn,
Yes, Mr. Ratliff.
first of all, are we good to go with the rest of those people?
Yeah.
Which,
I'm gonna look at the off. I think those offers are everyone's been addressed. So we need Dutton. Yeah, Kent Rondo, that was a retained person. Yeah, all the offers you sent me, we've addressed all those individuals.
Yeah, you got some show causes. They're in the breakout room. You should have recommendations from.
What about Daniel Hoffman from oh, I think he's waiting on. Is he even here, or is his client here? We might not even need it.
Who you asking about?
Daniel Hoffman for Ramon, whatever his, I can't see his last name. Is his client even here? Is he waiving his client's appearance?
Daniel
Let's
Hall.
bring him out, Daniel.
Okay, who I'm looking, okay, I see who.
Right here.
Wait a minute.
And then we got these other people who are in trial.
All these trials, are we holding those trials, Ms. Horn?
if I have officers, yes.
Ramon,
Mr. Hoffman.
and his client Ramon Rondu is here.
Oh, he is here?
Yes.
Mr. Hoffman, good morning.
Good morning,
Are you ready for your client?
I believe he's in here. I haven't had a chance to talk with Ms. Horn yet.
Yes, and that's correct. And it looks like these are set for pretrial today, according to the docket I'm looking at.
Okay. Is it possible to receive an offer at this time, or that?
Oh, definitely. We don't have to do that. We can wait. If you give me one moment, I'll go into breakout room 1 so that we can speak, and I'll go grab the file.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. Thanks for your patience.
And Mr. Hoffman, I'll put you in breakout room 1.
Okay, thank you so much.
And Mr. Ratliff, would you mind running his SOS on Mr. Rondu?
Yep.
Okay, I'll be down in a second. Thank you.
If the police officer, no, it's pre-trial.
Darnell, do you know where Deanne Rice, what room he's in?
Deanne Rice is, let me go out of this screen. Is he in room? Rice is in, okay, he's in no room. Let me look in the waiting room. And he's waiting. You want it? I can bring him out. You want me to bring him out and put him in the breakout room?
That'd be great.
We can do Kara Salinas, because I don't think that I'm sorry. We can do Kara Randolph, because I don't think that officer is here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll bring her
Oh,
out.
wait.
Oh,
Oh, she got a witness, but I don't see the officer.
And the witness, you want me to bring? Okay.
No, you're right, Judge. We'll do the trials first if there's no.
Ronald Davis, I don't think that that officer is here. Croxton, I don't see a Croxton.
Okay.
So we can,
Okay.
Okay, everyone, 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, you cannot be laying down or back, Mr. Rice. You have to sit up. You cannot be reading, eating, talking, or sleeping. You are in court. If you do anything that will disrespect the court, I will have to remove you. The name is called. Please give the court your undivided attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning, Mr. Felway. Okay, this is the people versus Kara Randolph, ticket number P1221104, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Werbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Okay, Ms. Randolph, say your name.
Good morning, Cara Randolph.
This matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:42. Doesn't appear that an officer has appeared for this, so the court is going to dismiss this without prejudice. You are all set, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So you can do, I think we have one more.
Mr. Howard, you have to be seated.
Okay. Oh, you're all set, Mr. Howard. You are the witness for Ms. Randolph. You're all set. You guys can log off.
Okay,
Thank you.
Okay, are we ready on Dion Rice?
Judge, I still need to speak with him in a breakout room, but you said that Ronald Davis.
Yeah, is he here? Oh, he's here. Let me, I thought I saw him.
Dion Rice,
yes,
there's an offer on that 6 months. 6-month delayed sentence, another matter dismissed on the U ticket.
all right, thank you.
I saw Ronald Davis. I don't see him anymore.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking
Here,
for.
I'm just calling. Oh, maybe this is him. Maybe because he left. Let me see if this is him. Okay, on 13136, unmute yourself. We're gonna tell me your name. Right here on the 13136 device. They're gonna get. We're just, I mean, Ronald Davis was here, but I don't know what happened to him. But I'm gonna just, we just gonna call it.
Yeah, you don't have to.
This is the people versus
I don't think you told. Oh, yeah, you just confirm.
Ronald Davis, ticket number SP 470374, count 1, unregistered untitled vehicle, count 2, improper license, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Werbling.
Ben Werbling, Your Honor, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, and you waived it, I mean, he was here. I saw him. I don't know if he just lost the connection or what happened, but the court is willing to waive his appearance for purposes of this hearing. This was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:45. No officers have appeared for this matter. So you're moving to dismiss this without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It's dismissed without prejudice. Good luck to Mr. Davis. Do we want to do Mr. Rice? We do have an offer of 6 months delayed sentence. Does he wish to take that offer?
And so that would be on the interference with a city employee. So as long as you paid the fine, didn't get further tickets of that nature, after 6 months, it would be dismissed, and then they're dismissing the other matter as well. Did you want to take advantage of that, Mr. Rice?
Yes.
Okay, give me one moment.
I believe they're dismissing they would be dismissing the open alcohol, sir, as well.
All right. Okay.
One moment. I wonder if that's Ronald Davis. All right, this is the People versus Dion Rice, ticket number U6113932, count 1, interfere with government employee performing their duty. Ticket number 217341144, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Werbling.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Worthing, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mr. Rice, say your name.
Dion Rice.
Okay, there is an offer of dismissing the interfering with the government employee and reducing the open alcohol in the motor vehicle to, oh, there is no reduce, but the offer is a 6-month delayed sentence. Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
It's my understanding he wants to waive his rights and accept that offer, Judge.
Okay, so Mr. Rice, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Werbling today in private about your case and your right.
No, I didn't get to speak to anyone yet. I was on.
We've spoken, how about this? We've spoken on the record with the court present, Mr. Werbling present, and the prosecutor was also present about your case and your right. Is that correct?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 18, 2021 at approximately 11:43 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Bovian and Macomb in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Okay, and did you have open alcohol in a motor vehicle?
Well, yes, but no, but it was my birthday that night, and my brother, he actually was the person that had an incident going on. He was like burning rubber in his
Give me
car.
this whole explanation, and I just asked you one question: if you had open alcohol in a motor vehicle as the driver?
Yes.
Yes, you did. That's all I need.
Okay.
All right. So, you're satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes, I am, Judge.
I'm also satisfied with the factual basis. We'll accept the admission. We're going to proceed to sentencing. This is a 6-month delayed sentence. So you have 6 months to pay the fine of $200.
Okay.
And you can't get any more tickets, citations, basically no further police contact.
Okay.
And your next date is going to be January 6th.
Okay,
So you're gonna come back on January 6th. You have to pay the fine, and you have to have, like I said, basically no further police contact. If you've done all that, this will be dismissed, okay?
okay.
Any questions?
You said January 6th, what time?
At 8:35.
Okay. Is this gonna be the same number that I'm on now, the Zoom call?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, you have all the offers for,
I can hang up now, right?
yeah, you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
You have all the offers for the group of people, for the people that are in the breakout rooms right now, Raymore, Red, Reed, Rivers, and Robert.
I don't believe that I do, Judge. I'll check my email.
That's okay, I'll give them to you right now.
Okay, all right, I am.
All right. for
I'm
Andrew
ready,
Rivers-
Judge.
For Andrew Rivers, if he has valid docs, it can be dismissed.
Got that, okay. Got it,
Otherwise, if not, it's in proper place.
okay. All right. Got it.
For Shanae Royal,
Mhm.
that's it. For ticket number ending in 842, for count 1, failed to display. Then for count 2, limited access, 5 over, and then
Okay.
dismiss the ticket number ending in 315. It looks like there's a state matter that she owes $402.
Okay,
So if she pays that, we can try to work something out.
okay.
For Reed, it's dismissed. So we can probably
Okay.
do him right now, that's dismissed. That's the recommendation. And then, who's the last? There's a Red.
Jamal Reed, gotcha. Jamal Reed,
It is limited access, 60 and a 55 mile, so 5 over for limited access. And then
which one was that on, Judge?
Jim Red.
Oh, Jim Red, okay, limited access,
Yeah,
1 to
5
5.
over, limited access.
Okay,
And, oh, you have a Raymore too. Raymore, plead responsible to the civil infraction and dismiss everything else.
there's some noise, Judge, so I didn't hear who that was for.
For Raymore,
Oh, Raymore, okay, gotcha,
Yeah.
limited access, okay, dismiss everything now, okay.
yeah, and then I think that is,
Do we have anything for Mizo Rosales?
I don't have the Gonzalez. I got a Roberts, Raven Roberts.
Okay, got that one. Oh, yeah, Raven Roberts, I was ready on that.
Oh, you are ready on that one?
All right, I mean, I didn't know what the offer was on that
Oh,
one.
the offer is, ticket number ending in 957.
Mm-hmm,
Plead responsible to the civil infractions, and then dismiss that whole other ticket, which was ending in 942, dismiss all those counts, and then plead to the civil
okay. Okay. That's everything, Judge?
That, yes, for
Okay.
now, but there's still a few other people in the next group, but that's for all the people that's in breakout room.
Okay.
Okay, hold on, Mr. Worbley. Caller with 13136, what is your name?
Ronald Davis.
I thought that was him. Mr. Matter, Mr. Davis. The cop didn't show up. That sounds unprofessional, I'm sorry. The police officer failed to appear, so we dismissed your matter.
Oh, y'all dismissed my case?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you're done.
Oh, I got it, okay.
Can you hear? You're finished.
Okay, what do I gotta do now to get my license?
Contact the Secretary of State. You can, I mean, there might be some reinstatement fees you have to pay.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you,
Okay,
and thank you
You're
for the
welcome.
court's time.
okay, thank you, good luck.
Okay, Mr. Rondu, I'm going to place you back in a waiting room. Try not to answer your phone because you get kicked out again. So do not answer your
Mr.
phone.
Petway,
Yes,
we might be ready. I think we're ready because Mr. Hoffman is back.
okay. Oh, okay, okay. I see it.
And Your Honor and Sir Clerk, and Mr. Petway, one of the issues that was brought to my attention is that Mr. Rondu may have some other matters, some that are set for arraignment on the 28th of this month. And so we were wondering if anything could be reviewed today so that we might have a global resolution if he has other matters that are also pending that are not showing on the docket today.
Do you have that file?
And otherwise, Your Honor, we would respectfully request an adjournment so that all those matters can go along together on the 28th. I'll be not in the office that week, but Mr. Hoffman and myself, we can work out something so that I can write up something so that you won't need me on that date.
I said for today. Oh, I see, pre-trial. So you wanna adjourn everything to the 28th because he has other matters set on that day?
Yes, and I was wondering, Mr. Clerk, are you willing to look it up today or just look it up for the future date? Because I don't know what else he has. I pulled up the ROA, but
Was it set for 1:30?
my I think Mr. Hoffman stated that that's 1:30, I believe. Is that correct, Mr. Hoffman?
That's correct. July 28, 1:30 PM.
Probably need to pull them. You got the case numbers. If
I
we can
do.
random today, deal with them today, or set up for a future date. We can random today and we'll set them all for a future date.
Well, he can be arraigned on those today and then put them together on a future date. Okay.
What I'm looking for here. You had me looking for something.
I could stand mute on those additional 5 matters, and then we set this for a pretrial with all those matters consolidated.
Okay. You had me looking for something.
This one we're talking about?
Oh, that, oh, reminder. Yeah, didn't I have that file? Yeah.
I thought you gave it to me, but that, I can't give it back to you. You don't have it.
Maybe I'll stick. Grab it.
Do we need to go on the record?
Need those case numbers.
Okay, and I leave that into your discretion, Your Honor.
So you want to come back just on the 28th at 8:35?
If that's possible, if the arraignment could happen then, and then a settlement, or a plea could potentially be entered that same day, that would be great.
You want the ones that are up today? What do you guys have the case numbers for the 28th?
I have them in front of me, yes. Would you like me to read them all off?
Yes.
SP 13332821. SP 13332822. SP 13332811. SP 13332812. SP 1333.
After 1, 2. And Okay, what's the last one?
SP 13332813. That's,
1331.
Just the three at the end.
so it's SP 133328, then 11 through 13, and then those same,
Yeah.
Count 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
that's right.
So what we're gonna do is, he's not here, right?
He's here.
So we'll rearrange, today will be his arraignment day for these matters. And then we'll set them all.
Okay, this is the People versus Ramon Rondo, ticket number P 1072308, count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Ticket number P 9270008, count one, drove a license not valid or proper license. Ticket number X 3551511, count one, no operator's license / multiple operators license. Count two, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1333282, count one. No operator's license, one person. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1333281, count one, registration and or plate violation, no plate. Count two, no proof of insurance, and count three, defective brake lights. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hoffman.
Daniel Hoffman from Detroit Justice Center, P 83528, on behalf of Ramon Rondo.
Say your name, Mr. Rondo.
Ramon Rondo.
All right, so we have some matters that are on the docket today, and then some new matters that he's going to be arraigned on today. And it's my understanding, Mr. Hoffman, you're asking to set this for a pre-trial for, this is July 28th at 8:35.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, so the court will set the pre-trial on that date. Was there anything further on behalf of the party?
And yes, Your Honor, for the record, Tamika Horn, on behalf of the city of Detroit, P 70303, I have extended an offer to Mr. Hoffman, and I will write that offer up so that it will be available to him on July 28th, 2022. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, so with that, we're all set. So I'll see you guys on July 28th at 8:35.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Talk to you soon, Mr. Hoffman. Good luck, Mr. Rondo.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Judge, can we please, we have in the waiting room, Pete needs a Spanish interpreter. They have not appeared, and this is Mizo Rosales. We do something with him because
Don't you have an attorney?
no, but he need a Spanish interpreter, which hasn't appeared.
Well, they don't have one by now. They probably weren't able to get one.
That's what I'm saying. Could I bring him out and we give him a new date or?
Bring them out. Where's this case number at? What's this case number?
Hold on.
It's SP 1227722. Hola, Mr. Rosales, Senor Rosales.
Hola.
Oh, hi, you speak English?
No. he requested a Spanish speaking interpreter.
I know this, but someone does speak English there. Okay.
Yes.
We don't have one. So we're gonna have to give him another page, because my Spanish from college is.
My mother's an interpreter with the court. She's here.
She's with the court?
Well, my mother, she's been interpreting with the courts for a long time. She worked for Coleman Young for the state for 18 years. They let
She's
her interpret
certified?
before.
Is she certified currently?
She's certified. You're certified, Mom, for interpreter.
Yeah, but I never renewed it.
She didn't renew it. She's not with the court now, but they let her do it with the court before. They swore her in for another client of hers. I was just saying it to probably make it easier for you guys. It's.
What's it set for today? Let me see. Today is set for an arraignment. Yeah. Okay. All right, we'll arraign him on the warrant and then just set it for a pretrial.
Okay.
Okay. And we'll have an interpreter then. You got this file? Just grab the file. Can your mom, can she contact us, have her sworn in, call the case? All right, this is the People versus Michelle Rosales, ticket number SP 1227722. Count one, driver's license, I think never acquired. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Warbling, or no, starting with the interpreter. Did she hear that?
Are you speaking to me? I'm sorry.
I was speaking to your mom since she was.
She's here. Yes. Do
interpreting.
you want her on?
Yes.
Mom, come here. I'm sorry. I didn't hear you.
Okay. That's okay. I'll do it again.
Yep.
All right. This is the People versus Michelle Rosales, ticket number SP 1227722. Count one, driver's license never acquired. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with the interpreter.
My name is Gloria Costello.
Okay. Can you interpret what I just said?
Yes, I heard you, but I didn't know if you wanted me to start or not.
You can start. Go ahead.
Ok, está diciendo el número de la infracción que te dio y te están diciendo que yo voy a interpretar por ti si tú me dejas. ¿Cierto? ¿Es todo eso? Sí. Yes, he understands.
All right. Ma'am, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Mr. Warbling, you can say your name for the record.
Ben Werbling for the defendant.
And Mr. Rosales, can you say your name?
Misael
Your last name.
Rosales.
All right, so this is that for an arraignment on the bench warrant. The court will arraign you and set this for a pretrial date.
Te van a dar otra cita de corte, yo creo.
We'll set it for August 11th at 8:35.
El día 11 de agosto a las 8:30. Agosto, el día 11 de agosto.
What
A
time?
las 8:30.
What time?
Dice 8:35.
Any questions?
No tienen ninguna pregunta que hacer. No.
All right, we'll have an interpreter for you at the next hearing.
Thank you. Te lo van a dar
Thank you.
para el día- te dije que te iban a dar otro para agosto 11. Es mes que entra, eso no lo he dicho.
I thought it was August 11th. I don't want to be mad at.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like 5 matters. You got like 15.
They're not gonna show up anyway.
All right.
I'll be here, so we.
But here,
We'll
baby,
go through.
stuff I don't want her to be mad.
She not.
Mr. Worthing, are you ready for anyone to come out?
Yeah, we could bring out Andrew Rivers, Darnell, and Jamar Reed. And even Don Juan Raymore. He hasn't been responding, but I think we can put it on the record. So I guess 9, 12, or 9, 11, and 12.
Tamika, that's the one.
Yes.
Remember that one I called you about yesterday?
Oh. So Shannon gave me another idea. I don't know if we can hold, I told her, I said, he's gotta be able to enter it. So she was like, in order to not just dismiss everything, because I look at it as disregard red signals, and it's actually disregard officers. I missed the last part, since we can't convert it from a misdemeanor to a civil. She said still have to pay the fine, but I don't know how you can.
Mr. Worthing, could you go in and get the rest of them?
Yes,
Because
I can.
This is criminal infraction right here.
Well, it's supposed to be a misdemeanor, because it was actually disregarding officer 6, not disregard a traffic control device. So I think I was writing all fast and I just saw disregard, so I put blockading or limited access or something.
Right, when I read across it, so this ain't gonna work. So it's not-
Ultimately, I told Shannon, I said it should be dismissed.
It's dismissed.
Yeah, it's administratively, it's too much to try to do.
Just dismissed.
Okay,
Because it essentially,
yeah.
because essentially we will be having her plead too, and then dismiss it upon payment. That's not cool.
But that's what you had said, the other day you was gonna dismiss it.
Yeah, that's what I did, and Shannon suggested that. I was like, but I don't think that's gonna work.
What, dismissing it?
Trying to do what she was saying,
Oh,
like have her pay a fine. I said, but no.
Mr. Raymore, could you turn on your video, please?
Sorry. All that talking, I'm like,
You can keep it on mute until the judge call your name. Mr. Raymore.
I apologize.
But where they were, I'm like, I just asked you.
Did you must have heard that last guy?
That's the stuff that, now I haven't entered the stuff that we did today.
This looks like a mess. Too much.
That's not bad, the show called, they go capers that stuff. Yeah. I'm capers in there.
She on the bag. She want like a one-page doc.
That's what you want, that's what she
Yeah,
said.
that's what, when I do her document, that's what it'd be. It'd be like 2.
Cause you know, I found out a lot of folks. We don't do that. We're going to go live. Okay.
You ready, Mr. Worthing?
Yes, we are, Judge.
Okay, court's back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Please give the court your full abided attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, this is the People versus Andrew Rivers, ticket number P130431, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Werbling.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Rivers, state your name.
Andrew Rivers.
There is an offer. If he has valid documentation, this can be dismissed. Has he provided such, Mr. Werbling?
He has, Your Honor. I've examined them as an officer of the court. We'd ask that the recommendation be accepted by the court for dismissal.
You stipulate the probable cause.
We do, Your Honor.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Rivers. Good luck to you, sir. It's dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this is the People versus Jim Red, ticket number P1240614, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license, ticket number P1240575, count 1, 1 to 5 miles per hour over speed. And count 2, tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Warbling.
Ben Worley on behalf of Mr. Red, Your Honor.
Say your name, Mr. Red.
No, I can't hear nothing. I
State
can't
your
hear,
name,
I
sir.
can't hear nothing.
State, you can't hear anything, state your name.
I can't hear nothing.
And that was the problem in the breakout room, Judge. I was hoping that he could hear us in the main session.
Then he needs to call.
Okay.
Why don't he call on the phone? Because how he know we doing this?
Right, you have to call.
I got a phone.
Okay, while he's doing that, we'll go to somebody else.
Yes.
This is the people versus Dewan Raymore. You can unmute yourself, sir. Ticket number P1260936, count 1. Drive while license suspended, count 2. Tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches. Count 3, dirty, obscured, improperly displayed plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Warbling.
Ben Worley, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Morning, Your Honor, Don Juan I'm sorry, good morning, Don Juan Cortez Raymond.
Enter your meeting ID. There's an officer technically responsible to the civil infraction and then dismiss counts 1 and 3 with prejudice. Does your client wish to avail himself of that offer?
I believe, Judge, he wants to waive his rights and accept the offer, Your Honor, or he'd be pleading to a 0-point civil infraction and the misdemeanors would be dismissed. Is that correct, Mr. Raymore?
That would be correct, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right, so with that, Mr. Warbling, you do stipulate to the face of the ticket,
Yes, Your Honor.
and then you stipulate to probable cause that the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
So counts 1 and 3 are dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. Mr. Raymore, there is going to be a fine of $120 that will be due on July 22nd because it's a civil infraction. If you don't have it paid by July 22nd, it will go into default where you'll incur court late fees and fines, and then this matter will still remain open. So you need to make sure it's paid by July 22nd.
Your Honor, may I speak?
Yes, sir.
Is there possible that I can have an extra 2-week extension? I haven't been working. I've just been diagnosed with Crohn's disease and I've actually been off for a month. I just got back yesterday.
I can give you another week, so I can give you to July 29th. If not, you can do community service in lieu of the fine.
No, I'll pay it. I just needed a couple weeks.
Okay, so I can give you to July 29th.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah. Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, you're all set. Good luck, sir, and
Thank you.
yeah, good luck with that.
All right.
All right.
Let me see about, I know Jamar Reed was ready, but I didn't see Wayna, so let me see if I can find him. He was in 11.
What about Raven Roberts? Mr. Red, can you hear us any better?
Unmute your device, Mr. Red. Unmute your device. Touch your screen and unmute your device. Could you hear me now, Mr. Red?
I can't hear nothing. I can't hear.
Did you?
Maybe remove him and he'll call
And
back in.
I just called. I just called, but it ain't on there no more.
I heard him when he was trying to call, but he's not coming in.
He called the dial-in number, Zoom dial-in number.
Yep, I heard him. Which number did you try to call, Mr. Red?
I tried to call, but it's not on there no more.
Could you hear me now?
It said it's not on there no more.
Wait, that's what I'm saying. I mean,
Make sure it's not
sound like
unlocked.
you can hear some stuff. You can't hear it all. Because how you know we talking to you, and how you know,
let me send him a chat. Okay, let me check. Let me see. Chat. Dial.
that's the fact.
360 334.
Ready on,
So what you want to do with this?
Raven Roberts?
Ready, Judge.
Oh, the old one. All right, this is the People versus Raven Roberts, ticket number P1265957, count one. Tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches, count two. Defective brake light, ticket number P1265942. Count one, drive on license suspended, repeat offender, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Wordling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Ms. Roberts, say your name.
Raven Roberts.
Okay, there is an offer. If she pleads responsible to the civil infractions, they'll dismiss all the misdemeanors. Does your client to avail herself to that offer?
She does.
All right, so with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket.
We do, Your Honor.
You stipulate to proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
All right, so all the misdemeanors are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of P1265957. I think it's. what's two?
Count two is 120. Two more count one.
Okay, Ms. Red, don't say
All
nothing.
right, so there will be a fine of a total of $240. Plus each fine is $120. It's due on July 22nd. Because it's a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. If you don't pay it within the 14 days, it'll go into default and it will, you'll incur late fees and, fines, and the case will remain open. Do you have any questions?
No.
You think you'll be able to have it paid by then?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I do believe Mr. Red is on. We have Mr. Red.
Okay, Mr. Red, can you hear us now?
Yes.
Okay, we gotta mute. All right, one moment. All right, this is the People versus Jim Red, ticket number P1240575, count 1, 5 miles per hour over coastal speed, count 2, 10 of windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches. Ticket number P1240614, count 1, drove while license not valid. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Warbling.
And Werbling P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Mr. Red.
Red,
Say it one more time.
Jim Red,
All right. There is an offer if you plead responsible to the civil infraction of 1 to 5 over coastal speed, and then dismissing count 2, the other civil infraction, and then the other misdemeanor. Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
If so, Judge, it's a 0-point misdemeanor. I mean, sorry, there's a 0-point speed.
It's not, it's 2 points, it's 1 to 5.
Oh,
And Your Honor, on behalf of the people of the city of Detroit, we will move to amend to blockading.
oh.
Okay, so it would be blockading. Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
I believe so. He has no points and it does not show up on his driving record. Do you want to accept that, Mr. Red?
say that again?
He has no points and it does not show up on your driving record. Did you want to accept that?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a fine though of $175. You got 14 days to pay that.
$175. Okay, look, I got one question. I got a thing. Now with these tickets, with this tickets, like I had paid off every ticket that I had way before this, and like I don't see why this is showing up, and this is supposed to be paid off. And I got receipts showing that I paid every single ticket that I had off, so I don't know how I got to pay for this ticket.
Did you have some other tickets?
Yeah, like I don't see how this ticket showing up when I paid every single ticket that I had off, like before.
Did you post the bond? Is that what you're saying? You posted a bond?
No, like I had tickets and I had went down to 36th District and I paid every ticket that I ever had. I paid them all off, all my warrants.
Is it possible that these are new tickets?
No, it can't be because I paid. This ticket was old. Like last year, I just paid all my tickets off like recently. This ticket is like from like last year, I think.
But you can't pay misdemeanors without seeing the court. You gotta
You
come
know
to
what I'm
court.
saying? I seen all the judges. I went to the course and everything, and I paid and they told me it's nothing on my, like I shouldn't have nothing. Like, I got receipts, and everything.
Just a misdemeanor.
P12406.
124.
Yeah, 124061. Okay, the misdemeanor wasn't dealt with. You want the civil infraction?
He paid civil infraction, that's fine.
That's what the offer is. But how, we don't even know if he paid it. What it say if he paid it?
Okay. Three cases out there. Two civil infractions, one show cause, 2 civil infractions, June the 7th. Just passed.
Excuse, can y'all see when I paid all them tickets
Hold on,
off?
sir. Hold on, sir.
Hold on, Mr. Red.
It's all that's out there. I did a summary, so case in 751 and 752 and 141, which is a misdemeanor. That's what you have before you, right?
Right, 751, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's all that's out there. Nothing else showing.
We don't have anything else but these three tickets that are before us.
It's 3 tickets now?
Well, I mean, it's two pieces of paper. Well, one ticket has 2 counts, the other one has 1 count.
No.
So it's like a total of 3 violations. The offer is to dismiss one of the civil fractions, dismiss the misdemeanor, and you plead to blockading, which it would be no points, but it'll be a fine of $175. So you can do that, or you can set it for trial.
So I have to pay like $175, you said?
Yes, if you do the offer, it would be $175 and it would be due in 2 weeks.
Okay, so what happened if it don't be paid by 2 weeks?
If you don't pay it in 2 weeks, you'll incur some fine, some late fees, and the case will still be open.
Okay, so but would that stop me from getting my license?
Possibly, I don't know, you had to contact with Secretary of State, but it looks like it would.
All right, mm. All right.
All right, what does that mean? You wanna go to trial, you wanna set up for, you wanna make admissions, what you wanna do?
I mean, I'm gonna take the offer.
Okay, so with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Werbling.
Yes, we do, Judge.
All right, so the court will reduce this to blockading. You stipulate the probable cause as the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, they're dismissed without prejudice. There, like I said, there's a fine of $175. You can do, community service in lieu of the fine. Would you like to do that?
Community service, how do that work?
Say that again. How would you do that?
Yeah.
I will give you a phone number. You would call a lady named Miss Green. She would set up your community service. You would have to do like 18 hours of community service. And I'll give you like 2 weeks to do it, 18 hours.
18 hours. All right. All right, now I just do it. No, I just go by, I just do this regular.
You just pay it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you, I'll extend it a week rather. So I'll give you to July 29th to pay it. Gotta have to pay it by July 29th. Okay?
All right. All right.
Any other questions? I know it doesn't feel like it, but you've been given a pretty good offer. I mean, you're leaving out of this doing well. It doesn't feel like it, but in the long run, you are. All right?
But okay, now, is this all I got now?
Yes. Yes.
All right.
You don't have anything else. At 36. Because I don't know if you got anything else going on in another city. But at 36 district court, this is it.
All right. They told me that last time, but all right.
All right, well, right, it's your job to keep up with your business, your affairs. So it should be all right. Okay, good luck, Mr. Red.
All right.
Okay, can I bring the rest of the defendants out and place them in the breakout room?
Send into a breakout room.
No,
Mr. Red, you
Mr.
can hang up.
Red, you done, Mr. Red, you can hang up.
Oh, all right.
Mr. Duffy, what happened? You